Welcome back to another tutorial video. My name is Michael Hunter, and today we're going to focus on Facebook ads as a part of the Small Town Small Business Marketing Series. Last week we focused on how to set up your Facebook Business Manager account, how to set up your Facebook Ads Manager account, and also how to place the pixel on your company website so you can track offline activity and also activity that's happening on the Facebook ads platform. This week, we're going to jump into the different types of campaigns that Facebook offers and how you can set those campaigns up properly. Let's get started. Once you're ready to kick things off, go to the Campaigns tab in the Ads Manager. Click on the green plus Create button to start the campaign creation process. Once you click this button, you'll see a window pop up asking you to choose a campaign objective. There are 3 different stages of the marketing funnel that are represented in this window: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Under the awareness column, there are 2 options to optimize your campaign: brand awareness and reach. The brand awareness objective optimizes your ads to show them to people who will most likely remember them. This means that it will utilize the targeting you have in place, but also take into account the activities and personas of the people you are targeting when serving ads with this objective selected. The reach objective will optimize your campaigns to show them to as many people as possible. This means that the targeting you have in place will be expanded tremendously to reach as many folks as possible. Within the engagement column, there are 6 different options for us to choose from, including traffic, engagements, app installs, video views, lead generation, and messaging. The traffic objective is designed to drive people to your website or app. The engagement optimization is used to get more page likes, event responses, or post reacts, comments, or shares. The app installs option for optimization shows your ad to people who are most likely to download and engage with your app. The video views optimization is meant to maximize the number of views you get when using creative video assets in your advertising. Optimizing for lead forms uses forms, calls, or chats to gather info from people interested in your business. This all takes place in-app and is usually a great way to generate leads based on your offering. Optimizing for messaging shows people ads that allow them to engage with you on Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct. Looking at the conversion column, there are 3 different options that you can choose from: conversions, catalog sales, and store traffic. Starting with conversions, this optimization option shows your ads to people who are most likely to take action, like buying something or calling you from your website. The pixels you place on your company website determines how this conversion optimization option works overall. Catalog sales uses your target audience to show people ads with items from your catalog. And finally, store traffic optimization shows your ad to people most likely to visit your physical stores when they're near them.